Laura is feeling a lot better. I make myself sick. I gotta stop with the chef's kiss. Like, what is wrong with me?
Wow!
Wow. Worry about them. Watch your nuggets.
Hi!
Oh, show. Something told me. Homegirl just looks, she's too cute. Pale? Did you hear that?
Come to the top of the car. Don't abide by the law. You don't know what I done saw. Can't live without it. I keep it stick for the wall. Chase out deposit. Money just stick with the boy.
A lot of model bitches check for me. Nigga don't check for me unless you got checks for me. I kept a stick like a hobo, no checking me. Way back when Kilo had the spot in Treasure Street. So many hoes had to get up, I said to me. She left her body home and brought her net to me. I did a walk through, they sent a jet to me. Y'all niggas show price less than my trophy. One of my arms worth a ticket. Watch so much that a car came with it. Back in the day, I used to walk with no mask on. Shit on my wrist, I would've kept the whole house full. Then I went to school high, I ain't go to class though. I was with the OGs, learning about the glass though.
So we're about to get out the car and go and do a little shopping. What's up, guys? It is just summer, and yeah, I am definitely have to make this part quick because homegirl don't like to sit in her car seat for too long. We just got to the mall and we're going to go to a couple of places. I need to get I hear you, she's saying go. I need to get a laundry bag, like a little laundry basket, bin, whatever you want to call it. And then I also want to get another phone case. I hear you, I'm wrapping it up. Phone case, some more socks, black socks. Yes, I'm gonna put a little thing here if you want to see me struggle find black socks. But black socks, and what else? We're gonna get some lunch. Right, we're gonna get some lunch, which we're probably gonna go to Chick-fil-A because us girls like Chick-fil-A. Babes, do you like Chick-fil-A? And she took her bow out, so we'll see y'all. Okay, it is much time later, like an hour to be exact. It is currently, babes, can I see my phone so I see what time it is? It's 2:09. There you go. It is 2:09 and I need to like calm my nerves for a second. It was not an In-N-Out, which I didn't expect it to be because I needed to look through quite a bit of stuff. But it was really crowded. I was going to film on my phone when I was in there, but everybody and their mom was here, and it's Monday. I didn't understand that. It's a Monday. I asked Babes if she wanted Chick-fil-A, and she said yes. So we're gonna do a little Chick-fil-A date, get her some nuggets, get me a sandwich because I am starving. Then lock your doors when you get in your car, guys. People are crazy. I need to get gas. At some point I need to get gas, so I'm gonna make a point to do that, most likely after we eat. And then I didn't need to go to Five and Below for the phone case, because I found one in TJ Maxx that I really liked. And granted, I literally battled back and forth between two colors because like I'm like simple with certain things, like simplicity is enough for me. So there's that. But I did find a phone case that I liked. Miss, are you tired? This is what she looks like, guys. Laura, you ready to eat? Psst. Hi. Can you say hi? Or do you want to say hi? She's watching her show. Y'all are zoomed in, but that's okay. Yeah, so we're gonna go grab some Chick-fil-A, have a mommy-daughter date. She is now 19 months, and oh my gosh, she's gonna be 2. She's fit to be 2. She's about to be 2. It is 2. I can't fathom it sometimes. And she talks so much, and she's feeling a lot better. That's a quick update. So yeah, let's go get some food and we'll turn the camera back on. That way we at least have some stuff to talk about when we're eating. Okay, we have the goods. Our kids meal, my meal, which like I said, I always get the same thing for all the new viewers. It is a spicy chicken sandwich deluxe with ketchup and avocado lime ranch. Alora got a kids meal 5 count that I am breaking apart for her. There you go. That was crust. I'll eat it. I seriously thought this car was gonna, like, I'm kind of like away from the other cars and stuff, and I'm gonna get it for you, babes. Do you want your cup or you want the actual thing? I got your cup. Or do you want the actual one? I thought this, I'm ducked off a little bit from everyone else, and I seriously thought this big Hummer looking car, was not a Bronco, was finna come park right next to me. And I'm just like, we're the only car on this strip. On this little strip thing, we're the only car. And you're gonna choose to come over here? Like, as I'm talking to all my friends, you're gonna choose to come way over here? Can I just add that I be trying to look so cute, like as cute as Alora. I be trying to look so cute. I was trying to match her this morning. If I would have kept looking through all my freaking clothes, we would have never left, because I don't know why I thought I do have something purple, but it was not. I was like, this might be too much, and it didn't look, I was like, I wasn't really feeling it. Like, I really just wanted to throw on something simple. So there you go, babes. That's a big piece. How about we put some back? Of course she's gonna shove it all in her mouth. Mama's here to monitor you. Give you smaller portions. Goodness. I don't even know what I was talking about. What was I talking about? Oh yeah, I was trying to match her, and homegirl just looks, she's too cute. She's cute. She's cute. She got the style, and I just don't. I don't got it. I threw on a regular plain Jane crop top hoodie with some leggings, and as long as she's cute, I'm perfectly fine. Something told me, look in the bag for your avocado lime ranch. And I don't know why I didn't listen to that voice, because it's not in here. It is not in this bag. Chick-fil-A, you normally get like a lot of stars from me. I want to say a solid 5, because you normally never get it wrong. On your bottom, watch your nuggets. Are you full? You need to sit up for a second. But you forgetting this lime sauce, I'm not happy. I'm not happy. But as y'all can tell, Alora is feeling a lot better. You want some ketchup? She loves ketchup. Oh my gosh. Which, I mean, don't surprise me, because I love ketchup. Yep, those are yours. because y'all forgot the dressing, I will give y'all a solid Chick-fil-A 3.2 because I need the dressing for the sandwich, not for the salad, for the sandwich. But yeah, as y'all can see, Alora is feeling a lot better. She had like hives. Our hives, like, I want to make sure I'm saying it right. They were like these big red spots all over her body. Babes, your fries are right here. These are yours. These are your fries. That's like a big bite. That was a big bite, babes. She had like these big red spots all over her face, or her body rather. I gave her an oatmeal bath because they were everywhere. And thankfully the oatmeal bath got rid of all of that. So I'm not quite sure what that exactly was. Here, let me break these up for you. But it definitely fell in the category, from what the doctors say, they said it fell in the category of hand, foot, and mouth. So there was just that on that situation. She's feeling much better. Her temperature has gone down. Her personality, she didn't really lose a lot of her personality, maybe for like a day out of the week she was sick. But yeah, she has really just been running and playing and climbing and jumping and all those good things. So yeah, but I was trying to look as cute as her walking out the door. Fail. Fail? Did you hear that? You gonna do me like that in front of all of our friends? Fail? She seems so unbothered. Hi.
Hi.
You're cute. You are so freaking just so stinking cute, babes. You want ketchup? I know you like ketchup. You want one with your nuggets? I buy the no sugar added ketchup for her, and I'll squirt just a little bit on the side, just in case if she wants to dip. She never dips. Doesn't surprise me. She'll take her spoon or her hand and she'll just like eat the sauce. Like just now, she just sucked all that off the nugget, and I think she ate the nugget. We're gonna sit here, do a little girls' date, and gather ourselves. The TJ Maxx was, like I said, it was kind of crowded. And the aisles are already like really narrow and small already. And like I said, it's a Monday. It's a middle of the day on a Monday. So I was just trying to figure out, why are you all here? I was trying to come when everyone's, you know, at work or like, you know. But yep, epic fail. The joke was on me. Wow. Yeah, the joke was on mommy. I'll turn the camera on after.
Wow.
Yeah, go like a star. Up to the top of the car. Don't abide by the law. You don't know what I done saw. Can't live without it. I keep it stick for the wall. Checks out deposit. Money just stick with the boy.
A lot of model bitches check for me. Nigga don't check for me unless you got checks for me.
She seems so unbothered, which is funny. our first car wash, so that's funny, but playing. Nothing special, nothing spectacular. Probably thinking like, I can't hear my show. Alrighty, let's go clean out this bad boy. You're gonna sit right here while I clean out the car. I'll definitely keep your leftovers. For show. For show. Everything else though, trash. Real quick. Blue Powerade and lemonade. Chef's kiss. Chef's kiss. I make myself sick. I gotta stop with the chef's kiss. Like, what is wrong with me? What is going on?
Yeah, go like a star. Come to the top of the car. Don't know by the law. You don't know what I done saw. Can't live without it. Can't live without it. I keep it stick for the wall. Chase I deposit. Chase I deposit. Money just stick with the boy.
A lot of model bitches check for me, nigga don't check for me unless you got checks for me. I kept a stick like a hobo, no checking me. Way back when Kilo had the spot in Church Street. So many hoes had to get up, I said to me. She left her body home and brought her net to me. I did a walk through that shit, the jet to me. Y'all niggas show price less than my trophy. One of my arms were particular. Watch so much that a car came with it. Back in the day, I used to walk with no mask on. Shit on my wrist, I would've killed the whole house full. Then I went to school high, I ain't go to class though. I was with the OGs, learning about the glass though. Got me with the dudes, 5 mama, keep my ass, bro. Break yourself, you was brains on the dashboard. I'm with Sid and Lil Baby, yeah. We got 4 choppers this full. Way before rapping, on God, I was trapping. Sneaking my Glock and LaCour. I got my cake from Osama Bin Laden. Lil' nigga, he signed this shit. I'm for a gang, if you use from my chain, and a nigga gon' die in this bitch. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, wagon, y'all nigga doing that big capture. I ain't with the friendly shit, close thing, y'all get into a handshake and the beat clapping. Yo, mama gon' have to make a GoFundMe. Y'all niggas keep doing that sneak jab. Gucci had to kill the whole world just to make Young Savage this motherfucking meat jack.
Yeah, go like a star. Come to the top of the car. You don't know by the law. You don't know what